In this video, we're gonna create an object of a predatory plant that we often see in the Mario Bros video game. Alright, let's make it. First, we create a square object using the rectangle tool and make it as big as the canvas so that it becomes a background. With the ellipse tool, create a red circle. Then the white rectangle object with the triangle tool is placed on top of the red circle object. Select two objects with the Move tool, then click Subtract and the menu at the top so that the object is cut off. Make a white rectangle object using the Rectangle tool. Right-click on the white rectangle, then click Convert to Curves, then we make the upper part or upper side wider. Click the corner tool, then make the corners of the rectangular object curved. With the Move tool, move this object to the top of the red object, then rotate it and position the object to form a mouth. Select the mouth by pressing the Shift key and then click Add so that the object becomes one. Then we give a stroke to the two objects. Create a white triangle with a black stroke. Then arrange it to become the teeth on the object that we created. Finish the tooth object by pressing the Shift key, then right-click and Group. After the object is made into a group, on the Layer panel, drag the tooth group under the mouth layer so that the position of the teeth is under the mouth. Make 5 white circle objects with black stroke and we make it as a pattern on the flower. Select all the white circles by pressing the Shift key, then right-click, select Group. Next, we will create a clipping layer to become a pattern on the flowers by dragging the object to be used as a clipping layer to the red flower layers like this. We will make a flower stem using the rectangle tool. Make a green rectangle with a black stroke. Then click Convert to Curves. Then on the bottom side, we make it wider. Click on the corner tool, then make the corners of the rectangle object curve. Adjust the position of the stalk so that it is at the bottom center of the flower. Make a green object with black stroke using the diamond tool. Right-click the diamond tool object, then select Convert to Curves. With the node tool, select the points at the top and the bottom by blocking these points. Then in the top menu, click Smooth so that the corners will be curved and resemble a leaf. Then adjust the position of the leaves. Duplicate the leaf object by right-click, then select Copy, then paste, place it or put it on the opposite side.